125?
No, 16.
Okay.
Gen 5.
Yeah.
This is that. I'm just gonna go to the bottom of it.
Yeah.
Take it off. It's straight pipe.
Is it?
All titanium from front.
Oh, that's it. This titanium exhaust.
Yeah, you should take the catalyzer off.
Okay.
It will sound much better.
And MOT?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah?
It's fine. Ah, they don't check your emissions.
Okay. Sounds good.
Yeah. What's the horsepower? 140, no?
Sorry?
What's the horsepower on it?
126.
Oh, it's 210.
I know, fucking mad.
Feels good.
Yeah?
It's very nice.
First bike.
I used to have a ZX6,
Is it?
so I stopped for this.
I bought it brand new. I done 3k miles on it so far.
Yeah.
But I think this is way too powerful.
It's very powerful. 100 miles an hour.
Fucking mad. Off you.